Want to start investing but think you need thousands of dollars? Think again. You can start with just $100. Here's how. Step 1. Open an account. Use Robinhood, Fidelity, or Schwab. They are all free with no minimum deposit required. Step 2. Set your budget. Start with $100. You can add more later when you're comfortable. Step 3. Buy index funds. ETFs like SPY or VOO let you own the whole market with just one purchase. What are index funds? They are funds that hold stocks in hundreds or thousands of companies. One purchase gives you ownership in 500 top companies. Step 4. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest $50 every 2 weeks. Stay consistent. Don't try to time the market. Why? Because time in the market beats timing the market. Missing the best days can cost you big. Step 5. Keep it simple. Don't stress about picking individual stocks. Just keep investing regularly. Here is the power of compound interest. Just $100 a month, at an 8% average return, grows to over $150,000 in 30 years.